Taglis. Because we have our friends from America and elsewhere in the world. So that we can understand each other better. Okay? Can I request something? Can you please share the greetings of peace to the person seated next to you? Just say, peace be with you. And tell him or her, you look so peaceful this afternoon. And if he's a man, please tell him, napakagwapo mo ngayon daw. And if he's a lady, tell her, you're so beautiful and gorgeous. And never say, rest in peace. Thank you very much. Before I proceed, I have to thank Miss Hannah for inviting me here on this occasion, and Sam, my friend. And why I started with the greetings of peace, just for the information of everyone, I am a peace advocate since time immemorial. And for that matter, I am the first Filipino recipient of the prestigious Mahatma M.K. Gandhi Prize for Nonviolent Peace Award. Wala bang palakpakan? The Mahatma Gandhi Prize for Nonviolent Peace Award is an award organized by the Mahatma Gandhi Foundation